Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on the application of Yazio. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about the application of Yazio and we click. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Yazio. If you find update here, then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.